Just imagine for a moment, what if eating just one simple thing at night could make you feel young again? What if the pain in your hands, feet, and joints completely disappeared? Sounds like a joke, right? But this is not a joke. This is reality. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple remedy that can improve the flow of blood in your body, strengthen your arteries, and help relieve pain in your joints and muscles. And the most interesting thing is that this ingredient is already present in your kitchen. This simple thing can transform your life. I have seen so many people in my life who suffer from joint pain, muscle weakness, and constant fatigue. Some people even tell me they don't feel like doing anything throughout the day because the pain gets so severe that working becomes difficult and resting feels useless. Many of these people tried expensive medicines, body massages, and all kinds of treatments, but nothing gave them long-term relief. Some even experienced side effects from taking medicines repeatedly. Their pain would reduce for a few days and then come back again. But when some of them tried a very simple home remedy, they started noticing changes within just 3 weeks. Their arteries started gaining strength again, their energy returned to normal, and this remedy completely changed their lives. That is the same remedy I am going to share with you today. Welcome, friends, to your channel Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. All this information is science-backed and research references are provided in the description below. The truth is that all of us are dealing with some kind of discomfort. Some people experience swelling in their hands and feet. Some feel burning sensations in their legs. Some feel tingling at night while sleeping. And some people have such stiff joints that waking up in the morning becomes a difficult task. And not just this fatigue, weakness, dizziness, and memory problems are all signs that the arteries are getting blocked and becoming weaker. But the good thing is that we can naturally remove this blockage and weakness without expensive medicines and without any side effects. Before learning the remedy, it is important to understand why arteries become weak or blocked. There can be many reasons for this, but the biggest reason is diabetes. Yes, when blood sugar rises, the walls of your arteries gradually start to weaken. They develop inflammation. The nerve cells connected to them become weak or damaged. This condition is called diabetic neuropathy. It is a situation where nerves and arteries begin losing their strength. The second cause is high blood pressure. When the pressure is too high, it damages the arteries. Extra pressure builds up on them and they begin to deteriorate. The third reason is too much cholesterol and fat. When these fats stick to the inside of the arteries and create a blockage, the flow of blood slows down. This causes pain, pulling sensations, and fatigue. The fourth reason can be any kind of infection. The fifth cause is hormonal imbalance. And the sixth reason is the buildup of toxins in the kidneys and liver, which weakens the kidneys and causes inflammation in them. All of these problems result in joint pain, swelling in the legs, and overall body fatigue. But the good thing is that there is a natural and simple solution to all these problems, and it is present right in your kitchen. Now I'm going to tell you this remedy step by step. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share some tips and foods that will help you get even more benefit from this remedy. This remedy is made from just 3 very simple ingredients. The first ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, which improves the function of insulin. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties keep your blood vessels healthy. It helps lower blood pressure and improves your lipid profile, which reduces the risk of artery blockage. The second ingredient is black cardamom. It has mild diuretic properties that reduce swelling, improve blood pressure, and also help reduce blockage in the blood vessels. The third ingredient is cloves. Cloves contain eugenol, which reduces inflammation, helps fight infections, strengthens immunity, and lessens blockage. To prepare this remedy, take a clean pot and add 1 glass of water. Let it come to a boil. When the water starts boiling, add a small piece of cinnamon. Then add 1 black cardamom. Finally, crush 2 cloves lightly and add them to the water. Let all 3 ingredients boil for 2 to 3 minutes. so that their beneficial compounds mix well into the water. Turn off the heat and allow the water to cool down to normal temperature. If you like a little sweetness, you can add a small amount of honey once the drink has cooled. But if you have diabetes, avoid honey and take the drink according to your blood sugar levels. Strain it into a cup. The best time to take this remedy is about half an hour after dinner. Yes, if you drink just 1 cup daily for 14 to 15 days, you will start noticing that your body feels more energetic, swelling and joint pain begin to decrease, and the toxins that were accumulated in your arteries start clearing out slowly. Along with this remedy, if you do one small additional step, the benefits increase even more. This step is not mandatory, but if you follow it, you may get 3 to 4 times more benefit. Right after drinking this remedy, within 15 minutes, chew 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. That's it. This small habit doubles the effect of the drink because fennel boosts digestion and helps deliver the medicinal properties of the 3 spices directly to the arteries. If you follow this routine for a full month, not only will the artery blockage begin to disappear, but the pain and burning in your hands and feet will also reduce significantly. Now, let's talk about the foods you can include in your daily diet to make your arteries stronger and healthier. The first one is flax seeds. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids that strengthen your arteries and help reduce pain. You can roast them lightly, grind them, and take them in the morning with milk, water, or yogurt. 1 tablespoon is enough. The second food is chia seeds. Chia seeds contain iron, potassium, and antioxidants that reduce fatigue, relax the nerves, and strengthen the immune system. They are also rich in fiber, which helps improve cholesterol levels. So if you use these 2 foods along with the remedy, believe me, you will get more benefits and your overall health will improve as well. When your body becomes clean from the inside and the arteries become strong, the effects are seen not just in pain and fatigue. Your skin starts to glow, your face looks fresh, and your sleep becomes much better. When blood flows properly, oxygen and essential nutrients reach every cell efficiently. The most beautiful thing about this remedy is that it heals your body naturally and gradually, without chemicals and without side effects. Just be a little patient and make this remedy a part of your lifestyle. You will see how your body starts supporting you again. Remember, health is one of the greatest blessings from God. Until we take care of our bodies, life will always feel incomplete. Instead of relying on expensive medicines and temporary treatments, it is better to use the natural ingredients and spices available in our homes because they are not only effective but also safe. If you follow this remedy consistently for just a few weeks, you will feel that the joy of life has doubled. When your body becomes strong from the inside, not only does the pain go away, but your confidence also returns. You start doing things that once felt difficult. You feel that your mind and body are working together again, and with mental peace and good health, you can live a happy and fulfilling life. Thank you so much for watching this video and for visiting the channel. If you found the video helpful, please like and share it. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. See you again in the next video.